Welcome to Pong's Garden Cafe. May page naman kayo, di ba?
Opo, patay na lang po.
Okay. Wow, beautiful. So this is Pong's Garden. So there's a garden there. Wow. Love, let's go there. There on. Here. Up there. Do you want?
Okay.
Let's try. Careful.
Spiral.
Huh?
Start a staircase.
But is it allowed?
Oh,
No?
no. Because we're not guests.
Huh?
We're not guests. I mean,
Oh, nice place. No,
it's not.
it's allowed. Ah, okay.
But so that one,
Oh, so it's for
it seats, it's like
for
six.
6 people. Yeah, there's the CR there. Ah, this is, I think, the bathroom.
Shower outside.
For the swimming
in your
pool.
swim trunks.
Mm-hmm. Oh. So whenever it rains, there's a cover. So they sell plants here.
Yep.
And then let's try the other one now. Oh. Ha? Ito, sige, sige. Oh. Oh. Mother.
Ha?
Hello. Ay, there. There.
Swing na naman. Gusto may bulaklak na.
Ingat kayo. Maganda pala yung place niyan. Hello. Alvin, no? Busy. Oh, I love it. Nice. Panyang.
Ay kayo, anong pagkain nyo yan?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Kiss, kiss.
Pero sarado yung dito, no? Oh. So this is the room.
This one might be open.
Huh? Is it open?
This one might be, yes.
Oh.
Make sure your shoes are clean.
I'm not going to go inside. Alright. Ma'am, so how did you start this business?
This is not a business in the first place.
Uh-huh.
When we started, actually the owner of this is Pong Manuel and Leah Manuel. Leah Manuel is my sister and Pong Manuel is my brother-in-law. So they just started this just a hobby, you know, planting trees and plants and different things here. And then during the pandemic, yun na, nag-start na talaga siya na mag-full blast kami. Pero at first then, dito lang kami nag-gather. Kakain, magluluto. And then during the pandemic, nag-ano na talaga. Since we're not doing anything, so dito na lang nag-concentrate during those times.
So this is a place for like
Relaxation, and now it's a venue for celebration, like wedding, birthdays, and seminars for the companies.
how do they reserve for the place? Is it online or
Yes, online through FB Messenger.
what's your FB page?
It's Pong's Garden and Cafe.
Okay. So how many days do they need to reserve for this?
Yeah, we encourage them to reserve, but then walk-in also is available if we have, I mean, if the seats are available during those times.
Okay. And can you give the ranges of the food and also the rooms for rental?
The rooms for rental for the family, which can accommodate 5 persons, is 10,000, and the couple's room is 5,000, which includes free breakfast. For the family room, 3 free breakfast, and then for the couple's room, it's 2 breakfast.
Wow.
And then you can we also provide towels, toiletries, dental kit, and you can exclusively use the pool area.
So how can they get here? Use Waze?
Use Waze.
They can just Google.
Kindly Google it, or
Can you tell us the address?
the address is 005 Marungko, Angat, Bulacan.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Oh, thank you so much.
God bless you.
Same to you.
Oh, there's a buy. It's a big garden. There's a dog. Welcome to Pong's Garden. Pong's Garden Cafe. Pong's. Pong. Pong. Pong's Garden Cafe. Welcome to
Welcome to
Pong's Garden Cafe.